This is a typewriter that I got with a job lot of calculators, and it's a brother EP-20. It uses a weird thermal ribbon which goes here, and they're impossible to get now. You just can't get hold of them. But what's quite interesting about it is that it's got a thermal print head which seems to do some sort of thermal stuff with the ribbon when it's in there. But because it's a thermal print head, it means you can use it with thermal paper, and it just so happens that you can get these rolls of thermal fax paper which let you use the typewriter. So you can actually type on this paper just using the head. There's no ribbon in here, it's just that little thermal print head there, and it comes out fine. I mean, it's a pretty basic font. It seems to be just a simple, not quite 5x7, it might be a 5x7 font actually, which you can edit on the LCD display, and everything works. Put some more characters on there, and it's fairly quiet except when it comes to do the carriage return. It's almost silent as the print head goes across. There's quite a lot of weird symbols. There's a cent and a dollar. There's a yen symbol here somewhere on the second shift, and various other symbols. But unfortunately there doesn't seem to be any bold, and there doesn't seem to be any other print size, so you're sort of stuck with this size printing, which is sort of fine if you want to print something out. I wasn't too bothered with the limits of this typewriter, as I actually got the thing essentially free with a batch of other stuff. But it does turn it from something that's just utterly useless really, because you can't get hold of the ribbons, into something where you can actually get some writing out of it, which is quite good for a typewriter. So for anyone who's got an EP-20, you can stick fax paper in it and use it.